Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass family link protection on your Oppo A31 device. To do this, at the very beginning open settings, scroll down, choose Google and choose manage your Google account. Then choose get started and choose data and privacy. Let's scroll down and choose delete your Google account. Enter your password. Then choose next. Oh, I'm sorry. Enter your password again. Choose next. Here, scroll down, choose I understand. Scroll down, choose yes, yes, and choose delete account. Don't be afraid, we will recover it later. So cool, now see that all my applications are unlocked now. So cool. Now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store, choose sign in, and try to log in your Google account. Now you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. Choose next and enter your password again. Choose next. Something went wrong. It's it's a good message. But now you need to log in again. Now enter password last time. Choose next. Choose I agree. Cool. Now only scroll down, choose accept. And fine. That's all. Thank you for watching. Google Factory protection, Google Family Link protection was recently bypassed. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment this video. See you. Bye.